Is the screen visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So basically, what is the atom? Can it?
एक मिनिट इव्हेंट जरी स्टार्ट झाला असेल ना तर आपले एक 2 ते 3 पार्टिसिपेंट राहिलेले आहेत सो सगळ्यांनी थोडस वेट करा एक 10 ते 15 मिनिटांमध्ये पूर्ण ओव्हरऑल होऊन जाईल सो कोणीही लिव्ह होऊ नका प्लीज हा स्टार्ट यू कॅन स्टार्ट बेटा
Uh, yes. So today we are going to study the structure of atom chapter. So basically, what is atom? Can anyone define it? Yes, students.
The smallest physically indivisible particle of matter.
Yes, absolutely right. Now these atoms are divided into means they are composed of three subunits that is known as electrons, protons, and neutrons. The electrons are negatively charged, and the protons are positively charged, and neutrons are neutral. So the mass of electron is lesser than the other means protons and neutrons. The you can see here the mass of a electron is one twelfth of a mass of an hydrogen atom. So that is equal to 1 upon 1000 the mass of a hydrogen atom. The mass of a proton is equal to the mass of a hydrogen atom, and it is taken as a one unit. So how these subparticles are discovered? In 1900, the J.J. Thomson discovered the electrons. Can means have you understood up till now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
In 1900, J.J. Thomson discovered the negatively charged particles known as electrons, and in 1932, James Chadwick has discovered the neutral particles known as neutrons. So we will move to the next slide. Now we will study the structure of an atom that was proposed by the Thomson. That Thomson compared the atom as a Christmas pudding in which the electrons are embedded uh, in an atom like the pearls are embedded in the pudding. As also we can compare with the kheer as the negatively part is the kheer and the positively means dry fruits as it is embedded in the kheer that are positively charged particles. So he proposed that an atom consists of a positively charged sphere and electrons are embedded in it. The negative and positive charges are equal in magnitude. So the electrically the atom is a neutral. So this is the structure of an atom proposed by the Thomson. Now the Rutherford has taken an alpha particle, has taken an gold foil, and he has passed the alpha particles through it. So he observed that the most of the alpha particles has passed away. That it concludes that the most of the atoms has space between them. Some of them were slightly deflected, and few R particles appear to rebound, as you can see in the diagram. Uh, have you cleared now up till now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then Rutherford's now we will see conclusions made from this experiment. He concluded that most of the space in an atom is empty because the alpha particles are most of the alpha particles are passed away. They had not means they has not moved or deflected by small angles or completely. Then he second conclusion is the atom had a small nucleus having a positive charge because some of the alpha particles